Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, I got something to share with you guys, obviously, and today we're talking about free Maya tools. There are a bunch of free tools. There are also paid tools that you can choose to buy if you like, but nevertheless, we're going to go through them, right? There are quite a few, so this is not a tutorial. This is to give you an impression, okay? Now, the reason why we're looking at this is because I received an email from a guy called Piotr Lidersky. I hope I pronounced that right. And he's been making these tools for a while, for his own workflow mainly. And recently he decided to do a brand update. So his Piotr tools are now called AO Studio Tools, and his Zen Hub is now called AO Hub. But regardless of the name, there are a lot of free tools. There are also paid tools, but it's definitely worthwhile to check that out, right? So I'm on the website aostudio.tools, and if we scroll down here, you can see that it's a super easy setup. And when I say super easy, I mean really super easy. You don't have to go down into your folder structure and look for a certain folder and all that kind of stuff. You download the zip file, you open the zip file, you drag a file and drop it into your Maya viewport. That's it, right? Then you restart your Maya and you're ready to go. And it will show up with a couple of menus. And I'll show you that in a second, right? But again, download, extract, drag into Maya, restart Maya, ready to go. Awesome. All right, there's also a free school license or educator's license that I'll show you in a second. Let's not forget that. And then here are an overview of the 9 tools. Now, some of them are completely free. Like I said, this one is completely free. This one is free if you log in. This one is free if you log in. This is free but has some limitations. This is free with login. There you go, right? So, a whole bunch of tools to do a whole bunch of things. And like I said, I'm not going to do a tutorial on all of these because that will take forever. But I want you to just check out this website and download the free stuff and play with that, right? So here's the pricing structure. What is 100% free is the controller library, the ZenStage presenter, the theme manager, the Pro Tools. There are some limitations there, but there you go. You get the AO Hub installer, auto updates, Vertex Distributor Pro. There you go. Now, if you want a subscription, you can do that as well, $4.99 a month, which is very reasonable. And if you just want to have everything in one go, like forever, you pay 149 bucks, you get everything, no expiry, right? And again, if you are a school or a teacher, then there are certain ways to get a permanent license for free, right? So students get a 3-year license, all tools. Teachers can get a permanent license for free. There you have it, right? So let's have a quick look in Maya. Let's see that I forget anything here. This is an overview of the tools that will explain what's what. Then you have the pricing. We just looked at that. There you have it. So let's jump into Maya. So here we are. I did that install, obviously, and then up here you will have an AO Studio Tools tab, right? Now here you have an overview of a couple of buttons that have been added, and if I simply click on the AO Hub, I'll get something looking like this. Now there are 17 tools in this category right here, and again, you can go through all of these, right? Now, I didn't install all of them. I can, right? Let's see if I go into, I don't know, let's see, that's installed. Right, for example, this one isn't installed, right? So if it says not installed, there you go. So if I go in here and click on it, it will go in here and it will say install selected, and just to give you an idea, install successful. That's how easy that is, right? And then you can go and launch, and then you will get this whole setup here. And I think I'm definitely going to do a specific video on this one because it is camera work, and that's something I really enjoy, right? So yeah, there you go. So definitely check that out. Like I said, this is just a quick tip to check this out, and let me know in the comments which ones you did check out and for which ones you want me to do a specific tutorial. Right? I think that would make more sense than me doing a video covering all of them. So yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys. So definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and for checking this out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.